Hey guys, how are you? I miss you very much, and I hope that you had a great week and are getting outside. It's nice and warm. So this week, we are going to be making ice paintings, and on those ice paintings, you can make ice prints. So my finished product looks a little bit like this, a little bit like this, a little bit like this. Pretty cool, and it's just fun. I hope you enjoy, follow along, and stay cool out there. Okay, so that's it. Have fun, stay cool. Share any finished products you make. I would love to see if you either photograph your ice or if you print it on a piece of paper. Either way, I want to see. Have a good week, and I'll see you next Monday.